Shape's name: circle. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. Square. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, oval. O-V-A-L, oval. Heart. H-E-A-R-T, star. S-T-A-R, star. Cone. C-O-N-E, cone. Rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Shapes, objects, and properties. Circle. Earth shape is circle. Sun shape is circle. Football shape is circle. Circle. I am circle. A circle does not have any side or any corner. A circle is made up of only straight line. Square. Watch is square shape. Box is square shape. Biscuit is square shape. Square. My name is Square. A square has 4 sides and 4 corners. All sides are equal in length. Oval. Pineapple shape is oval. Lemon shape is oval. Watermelon shape is oval. Oval. An oval has no straight sides and no corners, but it does have one face which can be seen as a flat shape. Next shape is star. Starfish is star shape. Triangle. Ice cream is triangle shape. Mountain is triangle shape. Birthday cap is triangle shape. Triangle. Triangle. My name is Triangle. A triangle is made up of only straight line. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Rectangle. Phone shape is rectangle. Chocolate shape is rectangle. And TV shape is rectangle. Rectangle. I am rectangle. A rectangle has 4 corners and 4 sides. The opposite sides are equal in length. Heart. Donut shape is heart. Apple shape is heart. And leaf shape is heart. Next shape is cone. Ice cream shape is cone. Carrot shape is cone. Cap shape is cone. Tent shape is cone. Hey, I am cone. A cone has 1 edges or 1 corner or vertex. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe.